Area of a circular sector. Well, what is a circular sector? We'll find out. Well, a circular sector is like a slice of a pizza, and the area of a circular sector is found using the formula. The area is equal to theta over 360 degrees times pi r squared. You may recognize the familiar part of this formula as pi r squared, which is the area of the whole circle. Well, as I've said, the whole circle is the whole pizza, and a circular sector is just a slice of the pizza. Well, a circular sector has a central angle. That's called the theta. The measure of that central angle is what we substitute in the formula. Now, let's see how the formula given above is being derived. We can set up a proportion. The entire circle corresponds to a central angle of 360 degrees. Well, the circular sector only has theta out of that 360 degrees. So we can set up a proportion. The area of a circular sector to the area of a circle is equal to the ratio theta over 360. Now we can substitute the terms in terms of the circular sector. So you have the area of a sector over the area of a circle is pi r squared is equal to theta over 360. And multiplying both sides by pi r squared, which is the area of a circle, we'll have the area of a sector is equal to theta over 360 degrees times pi r squared. And we use this formula to find the area of a circular sector. So again, a circular sector is just a slice of the pizza. The whole circle is the whole pizza. All right, so now let's see how we can apply that to this problem. The wheel of cheese shown has a radius of 15 inches. However, a wedge has been removed with a central angle of 45 degrees. What is the area of the shaded portion, which represents the surface of the cheese that remains? So, well, instead of the whole pizza, we're only talking about the cheese on the pizza here. Well, it seems to me that one slice of the pizza has already been eaten, and the central angle, this central angle right here is 45 degrees. We're being asked to find, well, the area of the remainder of the pizza. Well, the whole circle is 360 degrees. If you take out 45 degrees from the whole circle, this remaining central angle there is 315 degrees. So that's gonna be our theta. All right, so let's lay out what we know. So we have theta is, although we're given 45 degrees, that's what's been taken out. So we're being asked to deal with what remains. So it's going to be, so the theta is 360 minus 45. That is equal to 315 degrees. Well, the radius of this wheel of cheese is 15 inches. 15 inches. Okay. We're being asked to find what is the area of the surface that remains. Well, let us apply our formula for the area. It's going to be area of a sector is equal to, well, it's going to be theta over 360 times, well, the area of the circle is pi r squared times pi r squared. All right, so now let's substitute what we know. It's going to be theta is 315 degrees over 360 degrees times pi times 15. It's gonna be 15 squared. All right. So now let's do some cancellation. All right. This is gonna be well, 315 and 360, believe it or not, are both divisible by 45. All right. So if we divide 315 by 45, we get 7. It's gonna be 7. And if we divide 360 by 45, we're gonna get 8. All right, so we have simplified our expression as 7 over 8 times pi times, well, 15 squared is 225. Okay, so let's multiply that. It's gonna be, well, 7 times 225 is 1,575. 1,575 pi over, well, 8 times 1 is 8. 8. All right, so we have 1,575 pi. And because we're allowed to leave our answer in simplified fraction in terms of pi, that is our answer, 1,575 pi over 8. But you have to indicate the proper unit. So your proper unit is, since you're dealing with inches here, it's going to be square inches. That's your area. So the area that remains in our, this area right here, okay, in this wheel of cheese is 1,575 pi over 8. Well, if you're asked to find what is the exact area in square inches, just multiply 1,575 times 3.14 divided by 8, and that's going to give you the decimal value. Well, I hope that's easy.